Day 7. On time, if I can point that out. This is some Get Buck up in here, something beat. I don't really fucking know, I never heard the song. Dude, Kenny from California requested it, so I figured I'd fucking find it and do it for him. It ain't no thing. Bud Light is in heavy rotation, and if you have any, we're nearly out, so go ahead and send them to my email address. You must notice, you bust bogus, while my shit's sick like Chuck Norris kicks, Walker, Texas Ranger, roundhouse got your whole chest in danger. When it's pitch black out, my Vin Diesel eyes shine silver. Allow me to see these guys and chop them to the size of Mickey D fries in 3D, regardless of your TV size. I man up like green Mario mushrooms, grab you, slam me to my head and I crush you like a beer can. That's how you know he's a real man. Female groupies blow me and act like a real fan. Do you get it? A real fan. My Terminator status got me slapping with steel hands. My mouth the apparatus when I'm rapping, it's ill, man. You acting like it isn't, but you know that it's real, man. Yes, day 7, getting drunk, relatively early. It's 4:07 on day 7, looking at the screen. Cancer cough. Fucking me and BK still drinking. I'll catch you tomorrow, I promise. Regardless of hangover or drunkenness, Doc will already called me and bitched me out for not